Okay guys, so today we are going to review the second auto ship, I believe it is, for the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill freestyle. And I'm just putting away some of these things. Hopefully you've seen the video I just put out with the Crafter's Companion photopolymer collage stamps, but this is the little kind of card front or just something I made just to work that up. And it's just sitting here, so I just thought I'd show those to you guys. And I brought out, I already plugged in some of the things I need to warm up, but I was going to show you, I guess I haven't tried this one out, so this will be fun to try out because it still has the cord, you know, little twist tie on here. So I have not tried this one yet. This is the bold tip. I think in the review I did the fine. I might have done the medium one because that's the one I normally go for. And then I think I tried out the calligraphy tip, but this is the bold or thicker line tip. So let me go ahead and plug it in while we talk so that way we can get right into it. Oh, and I'll show you real quick when I did the first video. This is the thing that I use to plug in. It has all these USB ports and I just plug it in and then I plug in my USB in there. And it's from Amazon. I don't have a link. If I find the link, I will get it to you guys, but let me plug that in right quick. And I think when all is said is done with shipping and tax and all that, I think this is 25 bucks is what it comes to. And like I said that last time around, I didn't really care for the last kit, which is the monogram kit. This is, I think they call it the card making kit. So this is warming up and you can see the little light is on. And let's see what all is in here. So this is the more, you know, kind of basic, a little bit boring stuff. This is some card bases and then the foil, which is fine. A bunch of envelopes. Here are card bases that are, they're okay. I mean, this one's just all black. Maybe I'll use the black one just so we can foil on that. I have white, like a cream color. It's more of a yellow cream, and like a gray color. I'm gonna keep this one out. And then we have our foils, which I believe in this one, the only one that's different that I thought might be nice. I thought I had canceled these, to be honest, but I went and I guess I just skipped the ones I don't want. There's only 2 left. The next one's seasonal. I skipped that one, but it does have like red and greens in the foils. This one, I think it has like this rosy color. It looked more pink in the picture. Oh, here it is. So is the pink one, which we haven't had yet. Usually they're just like basic colors like silver and gold and bronze. So I like that bright pink, a silver, and then kind of this gold color. And then here we have, of course, our stencils that include plastic stencils, but also those paper ones that you're supposed to write over on top of. So 4 stencils, 5 traceable sheets, 4 of each of the cards, 16 envelopes, 10 of the foil sheets. Oopsie, what is this? Something's on my finger, sorry. 10 gold, 10 silver, 10 pink, and 10 rose gold. So the pink is the only really different one that's in this kit. And let's look at these stencils. It might be hard to see what's going on, but I can see already with this one, it's like a baby thing. Bundle of joy, baby, oh baby, welcome, little one. So, you know, they have stencils like this at the dollar store, right? And they're literally the same material. So a lot of people said it's just not worth it to them for this bundle. I don't know. If it works okay, I'll probably keep it because I don't really like returning things, especially because if I used it, you know, what are they going to do with it? This is adorable. So maybe we'll try that like little guy out. This is a birthday one. And then we have congratulations, graduate, good job. So, you know, like I said, 25 bucks, it's really stencils and foil that is important in this kit. Everything else, I mean, the cards are card blanks and they're not even that like sturdy, they're just card blanks. Get well, much gratitude, and the envelopes felt a little cheap. Okay, and I'm just telling you guys that because like I spend my money on these things too. And if it was like super quality, I would say, hey, these are really amazing. So I'm just letting you know they're just kind of a basic thing. And then we have these guys that are traceable sheets, and we've already tried these out before. Like I said, I had a video where I printed them out myself, just whatever you want to print out, and then you just, you know, you get your thing, you get your foil, you got your paper, and you just trace over whatever you have here. So, you know, these are okay. They're just different things. And these are harder to use because you can't really see behind what you're doing. So you really have to line it up and commit and then go for it, right? This is cute. This one's not even printed that well, I don't know. But when you go to trace these, you know, you really have to, especially with words like this, how are you going to know that you traced it correctly with the thickness and the I don't know. Just, you know, lots of different things you can print out yourself. Some of them are much darker than the others. So since I already have that going and I want to try out that little birthday balloon guy and the pink because this is a new color for us. Let me pull this out. And last time I did not tape it down. I just went for it, which I will tape this time around so that people don't come here and tell me I don't know what I'm doing. Good times. All right, let me see here. This is all, I'm gonna put that away in a minute. Put these things to the side. And I am using the card blank, but to be honest, I mean, we have to obviously, well, let's do this. I'll do like the little, I'm opening it this way, I don't know why, but that's just what I feel like doing today. And I'm gonna put this here on, where are we at? Okay, I just wanna make sure I'm in frame so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna kind of line this up on my grid so I can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit. I'm gonna take this pink, put it down this bottom corner. And let's get some washi, which I always have, but of course, I've been doing so many reviews, guys. I just toss things to the side. I have this cute, this is adorable. I haven't released it yet. Well, probably by the time you watch this, I have released it, but this is the LDRS Teapot Chalet set, which is really cute. All these things are just like on top of my washi. Let me get some. And there's washi in that kit that the foil quills came in, so I can use that, the We Are Memory Keepers washi. So I'm just going to kind of tape that down a little bit. And what I'm trying to do is get the paper, but also tape down my card so it doesn't move. That's okay. All right, and then we have this little guy, and I'm just gonna do an outline of him, I guess. I don't know. If you really want to, you can just color it in real well. But let's take this. Hopefully, do I have enough stretch? Do I have enough give here? Oh my goodness. Let me rearrange this part. My plug. Hopefully they give me a little more give, I don't know. I might have to rearrange how I'm doing this. Okay. All right, we're good. So I'm just gonna start in one of these areas. Again, remember this is the bold, and I don't go super fast. I'm kind of taking my time going around. And I've never had a problem with the stencils. It was just the that paper one last time around. I don't know what happened. Didn't work too well. I love anything balloon animals. They're so cute. I was even doing them myself for a while, just for fun here at the house for the kids. So I have that little pump and tons of balloons and books on them, and of course you watch videos. Alright. Oopsie, I went off. Okay, that looks pretty good. Again, you can color it in, but I'm just gonna see. What I mean color it in is you would just go back and forth with the thing. Aww. That's pretty cute. And then if you want to do one, like, let's say over here, but opposite, I would just turn this to, you know, turn your stencil over, and then you can put another one in the other corner, and he's facing the other way, which would be very cute. So maybe I'll do that off camera. But let's... Let's go happy birthday right here. See, what I don't like about that is that it's missing, you know what I'm saying? I guess we'll have to, we can do that ourselves. So let me grab a different color and get that set up, and I'll be right back. So I have some silver foil here. Maybe I'm going to cut it down just so that we can have a better idea of where we're placing it. It doesn't have to be that big either for the happy birthday, so I'm just going to trim this. And I'm going to stick down my card just in case it wants to move. With the silicone mat behind it, it kind of grips it, so it's not the biggest deal. But where is... Oh my gosh. Washi. Here we go. I'm trying to convince a friend of mine here to go to Daiso with me. She's one of the moms of, you know, a little girl that Miranda's getting along with. And she's like, oh, you know, having reasons. We'll see. Hopefully she'll go with me next time because I love going to Daiso. And I found a friend. She needs to come with me. And sometimes she watches videos. So if you're watching, you have to go with me, lady. All right. Let me stick this down here. Which is kind of funny because you guys are always like, oh, I wish near you and I live near you. I wish I had crafty friends. I don't. Nobody, I have not been blessed with a crafty neighbor yet. And I've moved around so many times, it's crazy. So I guess. Okay, I'm trying to keep this straight. I don't know if that's going to be straight, but there we go. And sometimes it's better to just do something whimsical, a little bit sideways, a little bit crooked. That way you don't worry about the straight factor. I'm just going to tape this down for me to not have to hold it too much. But okay, let's go. Happy birthday. I probably should go with a thinner tip for this part, because this guy is pretty thick, this bold tip here. So there's our H, A, oopsie. What I don't like is that the A doesn't have a thing, so I'm just going to put my own little kind of dot in the middle there. Hopefully that's the middle, I don't know. Again, P does not have a little dot there, so I'm just going to do my own little thing. And we're down to the Y. You can go back over if you think you missed something, like, but you do want to do it kind of smoothly, because sometimes you can tell if something didn't go quite right. You're just kind of scrubby. Oh gosh, here we go with the B. And I'm sticking right by the stencil, obviously. That's how stencils work. Okay, B. Making up my own little dots in the center. I. R. We're almost there, guys. Did a little dot in the center of the R. This is hurting my hand. I don't know why I'm holding it down really hard. If I don't have to, but I'm like, keeping it super flat with my left hand here. Whew. D with a little dot that I'm going to make up in the center. A. Little dot in the center here, and then another Y. Okay, that hurt my hand. All right, let's go ahead and pick that up. And pick this up. Not bad. The thickness, I'll show it to you when I get close up. And then I guess if you really wanted to, you could use this like in your foil press and have the silver, and then the word happy birthday would not be there, right? So that's something you can do with that. And then what I'm going to do is, like I said, or maybe... I don't like that that's way over there. It's kind of silly. Let me see. Maybe I can put... we could put 3. So let me put one more little dude here, and then one more facing the other way here. So I'm going to trace one going this way, and then I'm going to trace another one going that way, and we'll finish up this card. Okay, so I just finished. I obviously moved it closer to me so I can see a little better. That's cute. I mean... So I'm 41 years old. Is this the card I would normally create? Probably not, but this is kind of cute for a younger person, or even, you know, your kids to help out with. And like I said, I made my own little dashes like inside the letters, so that's, you know, it's okay. But these are cute. I love this. This is super adorable. And, you know, I finally actually made something with it. Usually I just kind of try it out and we're, you know, done. I did miss a little portion here. I tried to line it up and do it again, and I kind of messed that up because it came out over here instead of being where I needed it. But really cute. This one stencil. So, you know, again, you just have to kind of weigh what you think is worth it and how you're going to use it or whatever. It would be cute to do a whole background of these and maybe have the happy birthday kind of popped up, you know. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.